Hi everyone, I'm Heather from Sunshine and Family Time, and today we are back at Universal. We only have an hour until Islands of Adventure closes, but it is so cram-packed here. Just coming into the park tonight at 7 o'clock. They actually had us parking for the campers park. So this flat parking lot beside the parking garage over here. And now we're gonna head in. Not gonna have very long at all. We're really hoping to just go straight towards Hagrid's and ride that, or the VelociCoaster, one or the other. Kennels, huh? Nope, going on in. I guess you can bring your dog. We're heading in, and now we're heading into the parking garage where we're going to take the elevator or the escalators up and go through security. So join us today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Welcome to Islands of Adventure. Go on in. 35-minute for Spiderman. I think we're gonna go give it a ride for Nadia. It was her choice for tonight. Let's go on in. I also wanted to mention that today is the first day of Universal saying that you do not have to wear a mask indoors if you are fully vaccinated. So that's pretty awesome. I never noticed before that you could see handprints on the ceiling. We got off of Spiderman. It was really fun. I feel like we got sprayed with lots of water this time. And now we're going straight to Hagrid's. So I think the park's closing in like 15 minutes. So when we looked at the screen walking by, it said that it was a 80-minute wait for Hagrid's right now on this Saturday night, February 12th, Valentine's Day weekend. Super Bowl is tomorrow. So going straight towards Hagrid's. I feel like it's been a very long time since we have ridden that ride, and we love that ride so much. So that's where we're going for right now. On our way right now, we're walking by the All Hallows Voodoo Boutique. It's new! Yeah. They have usually changed that store to fit whatever's going on at the time, but yet make it spooky. So it is a Mardi Gras theme right now. We have not been able to make it in there just yet, as Mardi Gras just started last week. So now we're walking into Harry Potter Land. I'm gonna go straight towards Hagrid's. So look, there are construction walls around the train. That's interesting. Working on that area. Alright, so park closes in like 5 or 6 minutes. And when we walk up to Hagrid's, it is delayed. A bunch of people outstanding in the front, but it's delayed. So we're going to rush towards VelociCoaster. So we'll see if we actually get in line in time. Because right now, going under the bridge for the VelociCoaster. Oh no, I don't see it going. We might just be out of luck and only rode Spiderman tonight. But what else are we gonna expect with only having 1 hour, less than an hour really, coming to the park at night? But at least we got to do something. I think it's delayed, yeah, I think it might be delayed too. I don't see it going, and there's a lot of people out front. I hear Hulk. Hulk's been going on Plan C. So it is delayed. VelociCoaster is delayed. Hagrid's was delayed. Now we're rushing up the stairs. Alright, Plan C. We're riding the River Adventure for Jurassic Park. We are next. Getting on. Okay, I got pretty wet, just splashed right in my face. We were in the very front row when we were riding this river ride. So it was really fun. The T-Rex didn't work at the very end, and the guy counted down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we fell down. So we didn't see the dinosaur, but we did have fun on that ride. It's always fun to see it in the dark with all the fog going around the dinosaurs. So it's still really fun. But now the park here at Islands Adventure is closed, so we're going to go on over to Universal. Diana Ross is going to have a concert tonight, so we're going to see if we can get in a couple rides before we start to listen to her music. Here we are in front of Ripsaw Falls, and they now have their construction walls up. Like the water rides here take turns being refurbished during the winter months. So now the Jurassic River Park Adventure is open, and this one is now closed. So they have walls on both sides for construction. Heading on out of the park. And just like that, we are now in line for the Minions. It is a 20-minute wait, so we went ahead and used our express. We haven't read this in a long time. It's very loud. You can hear Diana Ross in the background singing her songs. So we'll see her in a little bit. We are taking the long walk back to our car in the RV parking lot, and we did get to see Diana Ross a little bit the time that we were there. So it was really neat to see her there live in concert at Universal Studios. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now it's your family time. Bye.